At the University of Horticultural Sciences, Bagalkot, a dedicated training session was conducted to help faculty members maximize the potential of the Solitaire interactive flat panel display. The session began with an introduction to the Solitaire interactive flat panel display, highlighting how interactive technology can simplify classroom instruction, enhance engagement, and support collaborative learning. Faculty members actively explored the responsive touch interface, digital whiteboarding tools, features, and other advanced capabilities of a Solitaire IFPD through hands-on demonstrations and practical exercises. The training encouraged active participation, allowing educators to experience real classroom applications and gain confidence in using the Solitaire IFPD as an effective teaching tool. At Solitaire, our commitment extends beyond product deployment. The session included personalized guidance, practical demonstrations, and hands-on support to ensure every educator could confidently utilize the display's full capabilities. Here's what the faculty members had to say about the training session and their experience with the Solitaire interactive flat panel display.
So the training from the Solitaire team, in fact, it is really helpful because they have shown every step-by-step features of the smart board, and again, it was wonderful to all of us to see the real-time experience. Definitely, when we use it in the real time, it is going to help. But training really helped a lot to understand this system. But
it's a wonderful product, and it has many features, and the visibility is very good. And it has a good camera and other features. Microphones and the headphones are very good.
So some students are close to the smartboard, and most of the students are very far away. So even the students, those are sitting rear side, back side of the smartboard, they are very clearly visible, especially this screen.
At Solitaire, we provide complete support at every step, from after-sales training and teacher enablement to dedicated customer support and continuous assistance, ensuring a seamless interactive learning experience. Reach us at Solitaire.Products at 𝐿_SupertronIndia.com. Visit our website, www.solitairetech.in.